Hello, I'm back. I just made a video like 30 seconds ago and I'm already back. Okay, this is the Amethyst Signature Light 2. I don't know why they call it the second one. Wait, they don't. Signature 2 Light Amethyst. Okay, but here it is. It's a little keychain knife. Really nice. Let's see if I can. Okay. So this little knife, it has, of course, a small knife on it. A little pair of scissors. No, it's not the scissors. It has a little pair of scissors. They work pretty well. And I think that's, yeah, a nail file / screwdriver. There's a little screwdriver on the end. Okay. Well, the things that make this a neat little tool is that little lever right there. You just push that down, and a little pin comes out. And I actually can write huge. Or, let's see. I wrote high. Well, okay. And then it also has, when you press the little shield, a flashlight. So, there you go. You can even use them both at the same time, the pin and the flashlight. So, that is the Amethyst Signature Light by Victorinox. I believe that's by, yeah, Victorinox. And there's the little logo, if you can see it. No, you guys can't. Oh well. But there it is. It's a little pricey for how small it is. About the size of my pinky, but wood knives aren't pricey. Comes with a lifetime warranty by Victorinox, like all of their Swiss Army knives. So yeah, there's the review. Happy buying. I hope you guys like it. I didn't like mine very much because I got it and it was purple. Do you like purple? You might like purple. It's not too bad. Could be pink, probably. Unless they don't sell pink. I'm going to stop talking now and leave because now I'm just mumbling. Goodbye. Ah.